Download the code from codigive.com. Link in description. In JavaScript, a set is a built-in object that allows you to store unique values of any type, whether primitive or reference types. Unlike arrays, sets automatically ensure that each value is distinct, meaning that duplicates are not allowed. This characteristic makes sets particularly useful for scenarios where you need to maintain a collection of unique items, such as filtering out duplicate entries from an array or ensuring that certain elements exist only once in your data structure. Sets provide a variety of useful methods, including adding new elements, deleting specific values, and checking for the existence of a value. Additionally, you can easily retrieve the size of a set, which reflects the total number of unique elements it contains. Overall, JavaScript sets are a powerful tool for managing collections of unique data efficiently, simplifying tasks that involve uniqueness and membership testing.